Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Tweets. Let me show you how to transfer files from your Pocket 3 to your computer or laptop. So there are two ways that you can use to transfer files from your Pocket 3 to your PC. The first one, which is very easy, which I actually use most of the time, is uh, just unplug the memory card from here, SD card. Just open the SD card like this, and if you have the SD card port, then you can simply put this SD card here. Can you see here? It's my Mac Mini, and here is the port. If you just input this card here, you can automatically find the drive here and you can open. The another option is, if you don't have this dock station or any SD card port, you can use the card reader like this. You can see it's the card reader I usually use whenever I don't have the any other options to use the built-in port. Can you see? You can use this card reader. The another option is to use the cable. Okay, you can see it's the cable. So to use the cable, you must insert the card here like this. Okay, and then turn on your PC or laptop, and then just you can see it's the cable is plugged in. And now if I just plug in the cable here, okay, you can see I just plugged in the cable here. It's called charging. If I turn on, you can see the file, it's asking for file transfer, or yes, you can see it's now connected. I just selected file transfer, and you can see here is my SD card is showing. So if I just open this, you can see I will now see that my files are there. So these are the ways how you can transfer files from your Pocket 3 to your computer. Thank you for watching. Subscribe Tech Tips for more updates.